Today I'm going to be doing a very fun Halloween recipe that has been very popular on Pinterest last year, and it's really popular this year, and these are Halloween pumpkin pretzels. So for this recipe we need some orange candy melts, some little pretzels, and some green M&Ms. Now if you don't have enough that come in a tiny container like this, you can go to your bulk store and buy a bunch like this, and you're going to get quite a few more green ones in there. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So I've set up my little chocolate dipping station. I have a cutting board here which I have just lined with a little piece of parchment paper just to make things a lot easier. We've got our pretzels and our little M&Ms, and I've also heated up my candy melts, okay? And if you find when you do your candy melts and you melt them, if they're really not, getting this liquidy, add a little bit of vegetable shortening like Crisco or whatever you have, and just thin it out a little bit, and it'll be perfect just like this. You see how nice and liquidy this is? This is exactly what you want. I'm gonna grab my first pretzel, just get it in there, and if you don't have one of these little forks, just use a regular fork, and then I'm just gonna drip most of it off, and then get it right onto our sheet here. And then, for the little stem, I'm gonna dip in my spoon, put a little bit right there, a little bit, and then just drop your little M&M and try to get it to stand up just like that. Perfect. Okay, I've just zoomed in, I've just moved my stuff onto my tray so that you can see everything in the same shot. And then I'm going to get my little pretzel in here. Now I do find this works better with the smaller pretzels. When you go to the store, look for the smaller ones, because the large ones, they're just not as nice as the small ones like this. That's what I find anyway. Okay, we'll get that down. And then our spoon, I'm going to give a little bit right there. And you can see that if you don't let your pretzel drip, long enough, you're gonna get the interior like that. Now some people like them like that, a little bit hollow. Some of them like it like that. And then you're just gonna grab your little M&M and get it right in there. Doesn't that look cute? So let's do another one with the hollow again. So get that right in there. And I am using a special fork for chocolate. So the tines on the fork are much slimmer, so it allows, the chocolate to drip through at a much faster rate. Okay, put that right on there. We'll grab our M&M. And these are really fun with the kids. This is not a new idea. This has been floating around. I first saw this last year on Pinterest, and this year it's very popular as well. Look at that, doesn't that look cute? So I think you got kind of the general idea, and I can hear you saying, you know what, you're just not close enough, zoom in. Okay, we'll zoom in. So you can see how nice those are. So what I'll do here, you can't actually see me doing it, but I'm doing the same thing with the fork, just giving it a little shake. So at this point I've got the pretzel in there, and now I'm bringing it out, giving it a little shake to get that chocolate off, and then I'll get it down here, right there where you can see it. We'll grab our spoon, put a little dab right there. That just acts as the glue. Grab your M&M and just get it right in there. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So you're going to make a whole bunch of these, and what you're going to do, you can either leave them like that and they will eventually solidify, or if you want to go quicker, you can just take the whole tray and put them into your fridge. So I've just finished up a few more, and you can actually see that the candy melts are already starting to set up. I have not even put these into the fridge, and you can already see that the chocolate or the candy is actually setting up. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit, but I just wanted to zoom out so that you could see all of the ones that I did. Aren't those great? These are super fun if you have kids. They just love to help out, and they love putting the little M&Ms on them and eating a few at the same time, and you know how it goes. So I'll just zoom in just to show you them a little closer. I just turned my cutting board around also so you could see them in the proper orientation. And I'll just slowly pan my camera around so you can see a few of these. And you can see that the chocolate has already set up. So really, really nice. So there's another slight overview of all of them. Really, really fun. So there we have them. My really, really fun Halloween pumpkin pretzels. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate that. Subscribe if you wish. That's it for today. Oh, and by the way,
Happy Halloween!